Hello, my name is Mason Holmes, and I'm going to talk to you a little about my internship with the Ice Castles. Ice Castles is a company that started in Midway, Utah, where I'm from, that is classified as a winter entertainment venue. Ice Castles has 6 locations in North America, and I was chosen to go to Queenstown, New Zealand, where we are building the first ice castle ever in the Southern Hemisphere. My current position is assistant manager on the build crew. I chose my internship for a few reasons. I really was intrigued by the broad job description and the variety I would have from day to day at the ice castle. Some days I'm working with ice, others I'm doing plumbing, lighting, or carpentry. Another reason was because Ice Castles really likes problem solvers, and the job provides you with opportunities to solve problems daily. That is a skill I want to continue to work on and improve. I also really liked that the company was small, but still very successful. Lastly, my internship is helping me earn a full-time job in management at a company that I love and am passionate about. For the past 3 years, I have worked off and on with the Ice Castles at odd times during the year. During those 3 years, I have worked hard, helped solve problems, led small groups, and showed passion for the company. In turn, Ice Castles showed an interest in me, in which made me become more interested in the possible job opportunities within the company. I expressed a desire to work with and officially intern at Ice Castles if an opportunity became available. I also expressed my willingness to leave Midway and travel to wherever the company needed me to go. There are different classes that come to mind when I consider the classes that have helped me prepare me most for this internship, but the ones that stick out most are 499A, where we talked about company culture. B361 also comes to mind because all the time we must work together to determine the most efficient method of solving a problem, completing a task, or improving a process. Lastly, my IBC experience helped prepare me for my internship. I work with and manage employees. We work together as a team to build the castle and solve problems, and just like IBC, sometimes you just have to make sacrifices and do whatever it takes to be successful and get things done. I've had a great experience interning with the Ice Castles for the past 3 months, and I plan to continue to work with the company. Ice Castles is a growing company, and there are many new exciting things going on that I plan on being a part of. Part of the reason I was so attracted to Ice Castles is it's primarily a seasonal business that operates in the winter. Working for the Ice Castles allows me to have a steady income during the fall and winter months, so that I will be able to start my own lawn care business in the spring and summer months. As I mentioned before, I wanted to be a problem solver, and my internship has helped me to do that. I look forward to continuing improving my problem-solving ability with the company in the future. It's my opinion that becoming a better problem solver and thinking out of the box, especially when the pressure is on, will make me a more capable worker at all other jobs and endeavors I have. My advice for those that intern at the Ice Castles is to be willing to express your ideas. I've never worked for a company that was so accepting of everyone's individual ideas. Whether the idea comes from the CEO or the newest member on the build crew, it doesn't matter. My next piece of advice is to not be closed-minded. I worked with individuals that were closed-minded, and it seemed like they were distant from everyone else on the team, and they couldn't accomplish nearly as much as those that were on board with what the company was trying to accomplish. That brings me to my next piece of advice, which is to work hard and be a team player. Ice Castles loves hard workers, and they also love individuals that are able to work hard and bring their strengths together to accomplish significantly more as a team. Lastly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Ice Castles is pioneering their industry, and even though they are 10 years old, they are still a new company in its infancy. They make mistakes when trying new things, but they also have huge successes. Had individuals in the company not been willing to make mistakes, they wouldn't be nearly as successful as they are today. I'm grateful for the opportunity I've had to intern for the Ice Castles, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation.